Okay, as we enter a whole new day in trade, let's take a look at some of the forces that are likely to impact our markets today, whether they be the US handover last night or how Asia Pacific is doing this morning. Now, let me tell you, yesterday, President Trump came out and tweeted that there will be support for airlines and other sectors soon, some form of stimulus, and that got the market really excited. All the benchmarks rose severely yesterday in trade. We saw the Dow gaining 530 points, which is one of the largest gains we've seen since the 14th of July. So in over almost 3 months now, that's up 2% for the Dow. The S&P was not far behind, up 1.75%, and the Nasdaq was also not far behind, up 1.88%. So three benchmarks all nearly advancing 2% or more. Now, all 11 of the S&P sectors finished in positive territory, so that gives you a feel for what the market breadth was yesterday. It was very positive. Futures currently as we speak are flattish to positive as well. S&P up 0.2, Nasdaq up 0.26, Dow futures up 52 points. So based on the US handover, Nifty looks primed for a very positive open this morning. Asia seems to be reflecting that. The Nikkei is up 0.3% in early trade. The Topix is up around 0.1% in early trade. The Kospi up 0.64% in early trade. Now in Kospi, it's a Korean index. Samsung Electronics, right? Index heavyweight, 0.5% higher for that one. Profits for 3 months ended September were 50% higher on a YOY basis. So that's what got that stock and that market particularly excited. Stocks in Australia also gaining. S&P, ASX 200 up around 0.63%. So that's very healthy as well. Now Europe yesterday was taking the handover from the day before, so they had a bit of a tough day in trade. The Pan-Euro Stock 600 actually closed 0.1% lower. Mining stocks were the top performers, adding 1.7%, but telecom stocks sank 1.5% to lead the losses. Finally, two commodities that we always check on, oil and gold. Oil prices fell nearly 2% yesterday. This is post the rally we saw over the last couple of days. Brent futures were down over $1 to $1.15, 2.7% to $41.51 per barrel. WTI crude was down 72 cents or 1.8% at $39.95 per barrel. In terms of gold, spot gold actually rose yesterday, so seeing a bit of an uptick on the precious metal front, 0.4% versus $1,884 per ounce, and then US gold futures fell 1.3% to $1,884 per ounce. So you're seeing a slight recovery in the commodities as well. You're seeing a sharp pickup in the equity rally, and this is despite the fact that a larger stimulus bill in the US has not been signed or voted upon yet. It was just a tweet yesterday by Donald Trump, which got the whole market fairly invigorated. And let's see how Nifty does today, but all the global cues are definitely positive.